Yeah, select, you know. Whole lot of games. Bow, grow, bow, grow, bleh. Select, hold up.
What's up, YouTube? It's Janaea.
It's Aaliyah.
And it's Lanaja.
And you're watching
Meal Trio TV.
So today we'll be doing a Dairy Queen mukbang / Q&A. And we asked people to ask us questions on like YOLO and stuff, but they didn't because they some haters.
So we went to Google.
Right, so we went to Google.
Google never fails.
Of course, Jeremiah.
I ain't getting none on there.
They didn't go with the fries. I got 2 thingy fries.
Who is this?
Let me see. Oh, okay.
Alright.
You don't worry about that.
So,
Oh my gosh. Cause I ate most of them. Oh, this is a big burger.
I told you they. I'm disappointed. So,
Thank you.
You ain't welcome.
Oh my god. I was look. Get out of here. I don't like ketchup.
I'm scared.
okay. So what I got was a bacon cheese grill burger, and I got 2 finger fries because I like their fries, and I got a Sprite.
I only got 1 finger fry. That's a lot of sodium.
Girl, shut up.
I got 2 things of fries and a cheese grill burger.
They sharing their fries with me.
Who?
Girl, you had the opportunity
Goodbye.
to get you 2. You better get back. So,
See how they do me.
is that mayo?
Hell.
I never had this one. Oh, shoot.
Alright, ask the question.
Out of my life, you backstab and
Sorry.
heartbroken.
Okay.
What you get?
She got
A cheeseburger.
Just a regular cheeseburger?
2
Red
baggies
Devil.
on it. Yeah.
Why my stuff look like bogus?
Look
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
like bogus.
You got just a regular double cheeseburger. She got a specialty burger.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm finna start. All right.
You recording or something?
I record too.
Oh.
Okay. My phone goes slow, of course. The first question is, how and when did we meet? Y'all go first, because y'all don't know each other. Really.
Okay, so we been going to the same school since we was 3, but we wasn't in class with each other until the 4th grade.
I knew Lanaja since the 1st grade. We just didn't start talking until 4th grade. And then I knew her since the 10th grade.
Yeah, we met 10th grade.
I met her. You came to school 10th grade?
Yeah, we met 10th grade. I met Lanaja before I met Aaliyah. Because my first couple weeks there, she was supposed to be showing me around, but she kind of left me after the first day.
Story time.
Right, third time. But, yeah, that's kind of how we all met. And, yeah, we always in one class, wasn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next question was, what was your first impression of each other?
I thought that bitch was ugly.
I thought she was going to be shy. Because when she first came to the school, she wasn't talking to nobody.
Yeah.
And
But turns out she's a crackhead.
yeah. Gang. My first impression of Lanaja, I don't know. I just thought she was weird. Like, I'm like, she ain't gonna be my friend. But we ended up being friends. So.
I thought she was like one of the weird kids, like that be around like the weird kids that talk about like anime and stuff. And
She is, but
I thought
She
the
the
cool
fucking
one.
anime.
I thought she was like
language.
I thought she was gonna be like real rude and stuck up. And I was yeah.
What about me?
That's what I said.
Oh.
Aaliyah, I thought she, I don't know what I thought. I was like,
Well, y'all was 3, so.
she probably don't even like me. She
At
was
first,
mean.
I didn't because you was weird to me.
She was mean.
Mm-hmm.
And then Janaea,
I used to be a mean child.
I thought she was shy.
But
thought
she's
she
not.
was
She
the
a
quiet-
real crackhead.
the
Because we
quiet
friends? No, like, if I don't know somebody, I'm not going to talk to them. So I ain't talk to nobody except for the, like, 3 people I knew. But, yeah. What's your favorite memory together?
Could it be like me with Lanaja and me and you?
Mm-hmm. Or all 3 of us. Or both. Like, we each do an individual memory and then one together.
I don't have one with all of us.
Mine would be homecoming for all 3 of us.
Oh yeah. With me and Lanaja, it would be prom. With me and you,
Yeah.
it would be. I don't know because we got a lot of them. Probably Labor Day.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
With me and Janaea, I would say stage group. That stuff was
Yeah,
funny. Aaliyah, I don't know.
Oh,
We had a lot of memories.
the reason she said prom for her was because I didn't go to prom.
Yeah,
So,
but
this
she's
year-
going this year, so
This year, gang,
that's all that
gang.
matter.
mm-hmm.
Gang gonna be up in here.
I feel like my lips crispy.
They're not.
Okay. For Lanaja, yeah, probably stage crew. We was just bad in them. And then Aaliyah, I want to say Labor Day or probably the first time I spent the night at her house. That was fun.
Oh yeah, our sleepover
We made them
after
snicker
homecoming.
things. We was just putting all type of stuff in.
I remember that.
We was putting all type of stuff and some batter and deep frying it. We did Snickers, Reese Cups, Oreos.
That was fun.
Describe each other in one word. So, you, me, her. Me, her.
I would say Janae independent and like she a go getter because she never stopped.
Period.
Lanaja, she definitely independent and she's strong.
Mm-hmm.
Like not just physically but really mentally.
Not physically at all, but.
Yeah. No.
And there. Okay. For Aaliyah, I would say unpredictable. Because you never know with her. Like, it's always something. She either one way or another. And you never know what she about to do next. Lanaja, I would say, this bitch crackhead, not this one. I would say,
Take your time.
She don't know what to say.
yeah, I don't know. I would say caring. Cause she be there. Oh, a cool G.
Understand.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Wait.
What?
I didn't say mama.
She didn't say her
Oh,
first.
I forgot.
Okay, so
Bro.
for Aaliyah, I say determined because she never give up. Like, she don't never give up, no matter what. Janaea, she independent. She the hard body. She
Period.
I'm a crybaby.
She the one.
They just be like, why are you crying?
Yeah. Always fine.
You ain't gotta tell my business like
Fine.
that.
What does the name of your channel mean? Okay.
Wait, what's
The name of our channel.
Oh,
So, it's funny because we couldn't come up with a name.
it was
We
hard.
It
for
was
nothing.
hard.
for nothing. Like, we kept trying to come up with stuff, and I'm like, well, we live in Milwaukee. There's 3 of us. Why not Mill Trio?
How many ketchup you use?
4 girls.
You want some more? I got some right here.
And I was like, just add TV because it's not just gonna be one thing that we're doing on this channel. So just call it Milk Trio TV. And I sent it to them, and they was like, "Oh yeah, that's good." And then I made the intro and stuff, so they couldn't change their mind. They like to do that.
Well, I didn't know what we should do anyways for the name, so I didn't really care. I just agreed because it sound good. I don't really care.
Where are we from?
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee, the mill.
Milltown, Town.
We from Chicago.
Heck, you know.
Just kidding. Dude, these birds are so cute.
I'm from Atlanta.
I'm from Mississippi. Just kidding.
I'm from Louisiana, Baton Rouge.
Cut it out, dude.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Why y'all have to look at me when I said mine?
Because you did it so last minute. We was about to say something else. Why did you start a YouTube channel? Well, I got my own channel that I do for the link will be in the description below, so y'all can subscribe. And I was just like, well, we all three of us is funny. Like, we always change the mood. Like, we always having fun. So it's like, instead of just putting all the content on my channel, we could have our own together. So then it's like, I could have my stuff, we could have our stuff, and then if they wanted to do something separately, they have their own channel too, instead of it seeming like it's one or the other.
Yeah.
So it's just for fun.
We just
I own a short film. For real. I'm on IMDb.
I know.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do me that.
Don't do me that.
Okay.
Get out. I'm sorry, Bubba. You gotta get out. One more
Okay.
time.
Do you got some question on your
Nobody want me.
questions on there?
Mm-mm.
Hold on, let me check. The only one I got on my thing is what's 4 plus 4. Now, when I catch you, bro, I'ma knock you out because that wasn't funny.
That's funny.
Somebody asked how long me and Aaliyah been best friends.
It's been a year.
1 year.
It logged me out on this phone.
We was
And we
friends.
recording on my other phone.
We was friends a little bit because some people was hating on our friendship.
We kept bumping heads a lot.
Yeah, and they was trying to like kind of break us up, and then it was more of like she didn't know who to believe because it's like it's people that she been knowing for a while. Now I'm just coming there, so it's like she ain't really know, which is understandable. But
I should never did that. Cause
They still be
she
arguing.
like one of the realest people that I know for real.
They still be arguing though.
Yeah, but
we bounce
best
like
friend thing.
Yeah, like we'll be in a class and we'll argue, and I'll be like, okay, so talk to me. I'll go to the other side of the room, and by the end of the class, we back sitting by each other. You know?
Yeah.
Whatever.
That's that crack ass stuff.
This is so funny.
At least my bestie posts me.
Not too much.
Sorry.
Yo bestie.
Yo bestie.
Yo bestie Nene, that she don't care about that.
Take 3.
Oh. When is our birthday and how old are we?
I'm 15.
I'm 12.
I'm 14, but I'm finna be 13. I mean, I'm 14, so I'm 14, but I'm finna be 15, so that's
We all
basically
17.
I'm 18.
We all 17.
I'm 19.
My birthday is July 23rd.
She the baby out the group.
Yeah.
Mine June 30th.
I'm the oldest.
She it go, oh, we sitting in our age. It go, her, me, one. So, you know.
My birthday
Wrong.
March 26th.
Wrong. What is stuff we say a lot?
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Help!
Help!
Rise and
I'm
shine.
dead.
They are my
Joy and pride.
What are some pet peeves?
I got this rule. 3 P's. Don't poke me, don't pinch me, and don't punch me. I hate all of those because it hurts.
Somebody could do this to her, and she's like, "Ow, why the fuck was you do that?"
Hey, that
And it don't hurt.
That still kind of that did kind of hurt. Yeah.
How
that
did that hurt? Poke me.
Ouch! That's how that feels.
No, bro, you just don't. That was all my ketchup. Oh my god, bro, I hate it here. What's more ketchup? Oh, never mind. I love it here. But
Scraping it down.
hey. We just was trying to let y'all know a little bit about ourselves, you know, man. Real Tea Tuesdays. And we're gonna jump into the real tea.
That's going on at our school.
Mm-hmm. Cause I know if we can
The niggas be messier more than the girls.
say that. Say that's your boyfriend. Got a couple videos that prove he ain't.
Ooh.
Y'all messy.
What?
Okay. She did my braids. Just in case you want to get your braids. These right here, only $120, so it's not that much. But you guys supply your own hair, your own gel, your own everything.
Get the fuck ASAP!
So she just a braider.
What schools have we been to?
Like high school or all together?
Schools in general.
Okay. We go first. Okay.
She been 5, 6, 7.
Wait, let me think. Let's say Harvard, Lincoln, Highland, Arts. 7 schools. I've been to 7 schools. They've been to 1. They've been at the same school their whole life. I would be so depressed.
We'll post some damn videos. If y'all request it.
Girl, we're not doing that. Somebody can't dance.
Not gonna point no fingers.
But she said fingers. We did our elbows.
Right.
Oh my god.
And she said not gonna point no fingers.
What's one thing that you dislike about each other?
I dislike how she can never shut up when the situation is over and done.
Right.
with. Like you'll be like, okay, Janae, okay, well,
She's like, all right,
I get
you
it.
irritate.
Then she'll get mad because you telling her, okay, I get it. Can you
I do
stop?
not do that.
Yes, you do. You do
No,
it
I
with
don't.
Elijah all the time.
No, I didn't have to say all that. You just
Oh my
gonna say
God.
yeah.
You go put
Anyway,
that out
next
the video,
person.
too.
Nope, I'm putting it in there. Go to her. You just always attacking me. Say what you don't like about her.
Shut up.
What I be doing?
You be acting so clueless. Oh, it's not my
Yeah.
turn. Sorry.
Sometimes you be acting clueless, and I'm just like, girl, what? But it's not much about what I because she don't really be doing nothing like that.
I be chill.
When you be with your best friend all the time, you see everything that be like good and bad.
Why I look so
and you
black,
just be like,
bro?
dang, girl, shut up.
Okay. One thing about her, she get mad too quick. Like somebody
Yeah.
could be joking around with her and she just get mad and just instantly just have an attitude. Like, girl, calm down sometimes. The one thing about her, she always be like, let me see. Like every time, and I'd be like, girl, it ain't nothing to see.
Let me come around.
I be feeling left out.
Oh, dang, y'all just put y'all little fingers all in my stuff.
I didn't try to play
Okay, go.
like that.
She love everything about me. This my drink.
Okay.
This my drink.
Yeah. So for Janae,
Where you gonna go?
all right. I can't think of nothing.
Exactly. Okay, wait.
She be dancing out of nowhere, like, girl, have a seat.
That I just be having tics. Like I just be needing to like do something like, hey. Okay. 3 things they should know about us. Individually or we gonna do know about.
All of us. Bruh.
I'm the only one still eating.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's because you have more fries.
Yeah.
No.
Me neither.
Me fool.
Okay, my middle name is Alexandria. I cut my hair almost 2 years ago. Actually, it was 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago.
Man, y'all should have seen her head.
I was bald head. It looked like I'm
They
bald
said
head, but
she
my
looked
hair-
like Webby.
No, they said.
That ain't funny, but they did. She got so mad. She was ready to fight.
She went to fight everybody in the basketball team. She's talking about her head.
The last fact about me is that I have anger issues. I hate it here.
Okay.
Clearly.
Around
Shut
me.
up.
I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. No, just what? Oh, okay. Yeah. 1, I'm always with you. 2, I'm driving the group. And 3, I always come up with the most mischievous ideas.
So the first thing,
Girl, you can't even
can you
even
talk?
tell you got yellow on because you got it covered all up.
They seen it.
I picked this color because they are my joy and pride.
They are my joy and pride.
A young scholar, you know.
Period.
We are. Oh, that's one thing. That's another thing. That was another. Okay. What?
I'm on honor roll, y'all.
We
On
on
honor roll. Don't do us
Period.
that like we don't win.
Yeah.
Honor roll. Don't do that.
Oh, we go to Juneau High School if y'all want to.
Oh, don't tell nobody where we
That's
go.
embarrassing.
We go to Vincent.
I don't like that school.
What do you think the most challenging thing will be about becoming a YouTuber?
Getting
Consistency.
consistency
Because we be so busy with
and
school.
getting views and stuff.
Yeah. We
Like-
be going to school, cheer
like-
practice, work, all that. But applying for
She
colleges,
know a lot
all
of
that.
people. I'm not sure if Lala know a lot of people. She probably
I
don't
do.
know. I don't know a lot of people. I know of people. I don't know them. So I mean, like, I don't think we're gonna get like a lot of views on our channel with only the people that we know. So that might be something that's hard.
And we ain't paying nobody for no promotions.
Yeah, we ain't doing
Like on my channel, I got my 112 subscribers on my own. Like just posting it all the time. But yeah, it's just
and we
gonna,
go do the same thing, but it's just that's just gonna be hard to build up.
Being consistent is key.
yeah, consistency. And like we be having like blocks on what we want to do, like content wise. So I think that's gonna be a challenge too because like I know for me, I don't like feeling like I'm doing something that somebody else did.
Yeah.
Or like because they did it. I want it to be like something that we came up with. Which
Even
isn't
though
our
like
stuff.
Q&As and stuff,
Yeah.
a lot of YouTubers do that, but this is for y'all to see who we are individually and as a group.
I know I said the other one was the last one, but I just got some stuff to say.
Are you
First
not
of
gonna
all,
answer the question.
oh wait, what was the question? I just said get money. That's my goal.
Oh,
Just get
okay. My goal is to become a singer because I'm like really shy when it comes to singing, and I have potential, but I'm too scared for the world. And I mean the world to hear me sing. Like singing in front of my friends, that's nothing. But I want the world to hear me sing, and I want to get better and make money.
DDG said he trying to sign somebody. So you better hop on that.
Wait, oh yes, wait a minute.
Man,
He ain't signing that.
you gonna be like,
Daryl, you better not.
Oh my god.
Not for real though. This concludes this video because it is 38 minutes long. So once I cut some of this down, it's gonna be shorter, but like boom, shaboom, boom. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click that bell. Tell your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your grandma, your grandpa to like and comment and subscribe to this channel.
To
like
our
and comment and
channel.
subscribe to
all
this channel.
that.
Like,
All
subscribe, and comment to that channel.
What?
Like, subscribe, and comment to
Hey.
that channel. Hey, like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And we out.
Yeah.